Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling the basic ingredients and measuring precisely. Use 3 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon vinegar for a simple vinaigrette. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon honey to balance acidity and sweetness and to help emulsify. For aromatic, stir in 1 small minced garlic clove or 1 teaspoon shallot. Season with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, and include 1 tablespoon lemon juice if you prefer brighter acidity. Whisking later will combine these measured elements into a coherent dressing. To emulsify, combine oil and acid in a 4-ounce jar, then add mustard and honey before shaking. This order helps the mustard bind oil and water phases. Whisk vigorously for 30 seconds or shake in a jar for 20 seconds to emulsify into a stable vinaigrette. For a creamier texture, use a handheld blender for 10 seconds. For rustic texture, use a fork and circular motion for 45 seconds. Taste and test consistency. If it separates, whisk again or add a teaspoon of warm water to re-emulsify. After emulsifying, adjust flavor and texture. Adjust acidity by adding 1/2 teaspoons sugar or 1 tablespoon more vinegar as needed for balance. If the dressing is too thick, thin with 1 to 2 teaspoons of warm water or a splash more oil. Store the dressing in a sealed jar in the refrigerator up to 7 days and label with the date. Shake the jar before each use. Re-emulsify with 10 seconds of whisking if separated. Use within 7 days and discard if it smells off or changes color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.